Hi, everybody. I am Mrs. Kramer, and I am the AP Environmental Science teacher. And I would hope that all of you would consider taking Apes next year. Apes is a course that really looks at both natural and human-made environmental issues, and then looking at potential solutions, what are benefits, what are drawbacks to these different solutions, and helping you pick through what might be the best in different scenarios. It's really an interdisciplinary course, biology, geology, some social studies stuff thrown in there, geography, a little bit of earth science in there, a little of astronomy in there, a tiny bit of chemistry. So it really puts all of these things together. And it's great for learning more about environmental sciences, but it also gives you some real life application, things that you can do at home to reduce your ecological footprint. So units, we have ecosystems, water pollution. We go to a local stream and do water quality testing, looking at biodiversity and why that is important. Then switching to more of the earth science, climate, and land use. So looking at that little astronomy part, plate tectonics, Earth's resources, looking at mining and the impacts that has, human population and how that has changed, and then how do we feed all of those people. So looking at farming practices, to try to make them more sustainable. Human health, looking at emerging infectious diseases, Ebola, Zika virus, and now COVID. Waste, and what do we do with all of our waste as humans and impacts that has on the environment. Energy consumption, what are our different sources for energy and benefits and drawbacks of those. And then we wrap up with atmospheric pollution. Just like the other AP classes, you have that opportunity to take the test at the end of the year to potentially earn college credit. If you have any questions, please let me know, kramerk@district112.org, or stop by my room, R232, and I hope to see you enrolled and see you next year.